President Trump addressing the nation today with new advice for the American public. Closer to home, officials identifying a second presumptive positive case of coronavirus here in Central Texas. Bell County Public Health confirming the case late last night. He is a 70-year-old man from Belton. And tonight, word of that case has officials in Coryell County concerned because we've learned the man actually works over there. We have live team coverage of all of these coronavirus developments. 25 News reporter Dennis Turner will have a look at how parents are handling a lot of those school closures. But first, we go to Joel Lopez, who has details on what Coryell County is now doing.
Coryell County officials say the state never notified the county about the coronavirus case in neighboring Bell County. And now 6 of that man's co-workers had to be tested for the virus. On Friday, Coryell County made a declaration of disaster after getting word that a Bell County man who works in Coryell tested positive for coronavirus.
They never notified us. We actually got notified through social media and the local business. They're the ones that followed up with us to say this is the situation.
County Judge Roger Miller says at least 6 of the man's co-workers in Coryell County were quarantined while they got tested for the virus.
There are a whole host of factors that I think the state has failed to address in how they're tracking, because every one of these cases needs to be treated as a regional case. So with that, we are going to take extraordinary measures to ensure the safety and the welfare and the health of all of our citizens.
The county has since canceled all public events while officials debate what they can do to minimize more exposure and how to recover from the economic and social impact.
Prevention is the key here, and some people would say, are you going overboard? And I would say we can't go overboard in how much we're trying to prevent and delay COVID-19.
J.D. Sheffield is a local health authority and says the goal is to prevent hospitals from being overwhelmed with patients who may contract the virus.
I've been doing this for 26 years. COVID-19 promises to be the most contagious, the most easily contracted virus disease that I've ever come in contact with.
Sheffield says he expects more widespread cases to develop and is asking people at his clinic who are older than 57 years of age not to come in to get their annual physical.
This year, it's not a good idea. We need to practice the social distancing. We need to avoid crowds.
Right now, Coryell County does not have any confirmed cases of COVID-19. Coryell Memorial tells us they expect to get the test results of the remaining employees in the next day or so. Joel Lopez, 25 News, Coryell County.
Joel, thank you. Coryell Memorial officials say they've started adding drive-through screenings for people who may feel that they're infected.